guys, it's Fire Alarm Tech 9 here, and today we will be doing Pre-System Test 3. And if you haven't noticed, it's still a battery trouble. This thing's usually unplugged anyway, so the batteries will just die, and it's just not one I want to deal with. Same horn. Now there's this. If you saw on any of my social media, there's the strobe is falling. It's wired like this. I have this unplugged because I don't want to receive text messages that'll screw up the video. So here's what I got. I now have this here, and this is still here because I don't feel like we're taking it out off of the back box. And that's probably going to be a permanent fixture. The 4002 is still kind of sitting like this, and so is the 4009. They'll both be set up hopefully by next weekend. I have a Super Bowl party today, so I probably won't be getting it done today. Look at that, you can see through a little bit. Oh well. Okay, so most focus is going to be on this. It's Audible. This has Audible silence. This does not. The strobes will not be synced. So if you have epilepsy, probably don't want to watch this. And oh yeah, and my label's right here for now. 3, 2, 1. So the two strobes are not synced. Alright, and this is recording at 60 frames per second, so you don't get that weird effect as much. So we can go ahead and acknowledge it. So still says 4002, and we're going to silence the alarms. And see, it still flashes. And maybe, just maybe, I'll be back in a second. Okay, so currently I am walking outside. It's kind of cold. I think it's like 40 something. And I left the strobe going off. It's the middle of the day, so I don't think you'll be able to see it very well. Make sure you don't see the street sign. You can very faintly see it flashing. Okay, so we're back in here. And I'm out of breath because I just ran up the stairs, but this is still flashing. So gotta reset this pull station, which is kind of hard to do with one hand. If I can find the key. I don't even have that many keys, it's just hard to find which one is which. Here we go, it uses an SC10 key. And you plug it into, you don't plug it in. Let's see, it's weird, it turns right instead of left. Oh, and that's my log. I have a resettable brake rod in here. So in order, but see, it doesn't snap up. You have to snap it up with one finger. And put this back in. And that's going to reactivate. Oh, let me put this back. Let's go back outside and see if we can hear this, but I don't want to leave it running for that long. So this is still flashing. We can reset it. and of course, Simplex panels being Simplex panels take quite a while to reset. And once this is reset, I will show you how it's wired. I'm gonna put these keys back. I don't need it because I have 3 B keys, so I keep one in for the pull station, one for, and then one for each panel. Okay, so it's reset. Yeah, no, it's just trouble left on the panel. So here we go. Here's its wiring. So this wire is for the horn neck, and I have it resisted at the panel. This wire is for the strobe, and these two are unused. So this wire here is for the strobe, runs along the side of the panel and over to this. And this actually has the EOL on it. And then this one here, using reclaimed wire. So now I have audible silence, and it's pretty simple. Let me put this back on. There we go, dress panel is back on. And we'll test the other pull station now. Actually, let me close this and borrow this key because I don't feel like sorting through those. Okay, so here we go. In 3, 2, 1. And this is the same pull station. It has a log inside of it, actually. All of the two. I'm keeping a log of what pull station was in what. So I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.